One of the most surprising dishes at the Cheesecake Factory is their chicken Romano. It looks like breaded chicken, but the crispy crust is actually made from Romano cheese. I'm going to show you how to make the Cheesecake Factory chicken Romano at home, and it's so easy to do. First, you're going to pound your chicken breast to about a half of an inch thick. Then you're going to create an egg wash. Simply whisk eggs with a little splash of water. You're going to create a seasoned flour with flour, salt, and pepper. And finally, you are going to dredge this in Romano cheese. First flour, then your egg wash. Then you're going to coat this with Romano cheese. You're going to cook the chicken in olive oil until it is done and it's golden brown and crispy on both sides. The cheese melts into a delicate crust that shatters when you cut into it. Finally, you're going to serve this with pasta and your favorite marinara sauce. And there you go. You have a delicious Cheesecake Factory copycat recipe.